Good morning from Bell Harbor. It's a cloudy day. It was a rainy night. The day before was a rainy day. I'm hoping that the sun will come back. It's got sunny for a couple of minutes. It's overcast again. Today's destination is Blake Island. So we're hoping to get there. Really hoping for some dock space and really hoping to spend a couple of days hanging out. Okay, that was a kind of a fun little leaving of the harbor, mainly because as we were going out, two boats were coming back in, but it's all good, no worries. Yeah, so Blake Island, not too far away, 7 nautical miles today. We were a little questioning whether we should sail today, even if we can. The clouds still look pretty dark. We would really like to get to where we're going. We don't particularly feel like getting wet, that's for sure. So I think we may have just a nice motor today. Blake is actually a pretty cool place to go to. So it has docks and power, and you can take showers, nice hiking. So yeah, we really like it there. So again, fingers way the heck crossed that we're able to do that. So anyway, as we leave the harbor, I'm just getting AIS notice after AIS notice. So back to the wheel we go. There's also a ferry coming towards us. So time to pay attention. Awesome. So yeah, sometimes these ferries get a little close for comfort, although we were tracking it on AIS and we're definitely going to clear it. So, but yeah, always kind of fun. So right now we are running Artemis at wide open throttle for 5 minutes, just to kind of blow out the carbon. We try to do that about once every 5 hours of engine time. So, but yeah, anyway, it looks like we avoided a disaster with the ferry, which is awesome. Well, it turns out that ferry was actually under tow. Pretty cool. That's kind of interesting. Kind of explains why you can see straight through her. So yeah, pretty wild. It is nice and blue looking north, still looks a little gray looking south. Awesome. So the Seattle skyline is behind us. We have Blake that's actually in front of us, not too far away. So yeah, it's an excellent day. Looks like definitely sailing was not in the cards. Not a whole lot of wind today. Maybe 6 knots. But we are fingers crossed that we can find some space at the slip. Awesome. We are approaching Blake. It's about a little over a mile. We should be there pretty shortly. So looking good so far. Kathy checked the webcams. It appears to have spaces on it, which is great. So yeah, anyway, so we'll be there in a sec. We'll check in right before we go in. Awesome.
So we've got the lines all sorted out and the dinghy sorted, kind of just a few finishing touches, and voila, 2-night stay. Awesome.
And a good morning from Blake Island. So we made it here in one piece yesterday. Not a remarkable crossing. It was a little overcast, but today is a different day altogether. The sun is shining, the weather's perfect. The temperature is perfect. We just talked to some friends back in Phoenix who are complaining about how it's in the teens, so we are really happy to be here. We're going to be here a couple nights, so we actually spent one night last night, and then tomorrow we're off to Gig Harbor. So, but yeah, we really like Blake. It's got some awesome hiking trails, and not only that, you can use your state parks pass here, and at the docks they actually have power, which is amazing. So yeah, pretty awesome place. Well, as you can see, that is why it's always important to stay within the markers. You can see it's kind of low tide-ish, And yeah, the rocks are not too far away actually, so yeah, pretty interesting. So, and look at the background for what an awesome kind of a view of Seattle in the background. Super cool. Great place to be at. Awesome.
This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.